In this video, I will show you how to fix this yellow dot on your Windows taskbar. So it's actually indicator for Windows update is available. So once you update and you restart your Windows laptop or PC, so it will automatically remove. Your device needs to restart to install updates. You can select a time to restart once you click on it. Once you click here, so you can schedule a restart, and also you can restart just now. So you can schedule a restart, select the time like today, pick a time. Now like 7:10 p.m. Click on OK, and here click on schedule a restart. Now exit, and it will auto restart on this scheduled time. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.